Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you actually how to utilize Grammarly to make edits in your writing assignments. Now, there are two ways primarily to use Grammarly. The way I'm about to show you, it's not feasible at your guys' level. Eventually you will be because you still have some tech skills you are going to need to learn to be able to do it through the actual website. But let's just go ahead and show you how to do it anyway. So once you've finished downloading Grammarly as an extension onto your Chromebook, you're going to see that it takes you then to this dashboard. And on the left side of your screen, you're going to see a long, dark gray rectangle. This is your navigation bar for Grammarly. And you'll see that it says My Grammarly, which is where all your documents that you are editing are going to be visible, your account information, the apps that you can use within Grammarly, your premium settings, which is what you would have to pay for that to have more editing abilities, and then your ability to log out. So you'll see that there are two buttons on the white portion of your screen, and it says that do you want to add Grammarly on your phone? You can totally do that. I did do that, and I found that it made some silly mistakes, especially when you're using like slang words. It automatically corrects it to something it recognizes. So I don't have it on my phone anymore, but it is a good tool to have. But I'm going to go ahead and dismiss this. And now all I have is this. So they do give you demo documents that you can create. But in this instance, I want to focus on the first button, which says New and Upload. Now, you can create a document within Grammarly, and you can actually type in Grammarly your assignment, and it'll edit it while you type, which is a great tool. So it says add a title, stay safe, stay well. So let's just say I do TDAs. I typed TDAs wrong, but TDAs. And you'll see already it says there is nothing to check yet. Well, let's say I click enter now. Now I'm going to start typing. I'm going to say today I learned how to, I'm going to put swim with two W's, and let's see what happens. So automatically it says alert, swim, I need to correct my spelling. And if I click that, and you can see it underlined in red, if I click that, it'll actually give me the ability to change it, which I'm going to do. So it then gives you your clarity, your correctness, and all your stuff on the right side of your screen. And this is only, again, if you are typing within Grammarly, which you really aren't going to do unless you are in like high school or college. But let's go back to the home page. So you'll see it's going to keep that one there, and I can now create a new one. But most of the time, you're going to either upload a document. Now, this is where it is tricky. Unfortunately, Grammarly is not compatible for you to upload Google Documents to here. You would have to convert the file into a Word document, which is what looks like this on my screen. And that's a lesson for another day. But I want to see if it's going to let me download one of these documents. So I clicked it. I'm going to click Open. And I do see that it is working, and it is going to open up that document. Now, remember, that is a Word document. You're not going to be able to correct or to upload a Google Doc without having downloaded it as a Word document. But anyway, once I downloaded it, it's going to then give me options. What is my audience? I'm like, oh, knowledgeable. It's already given me preset features. I'm doing neutral, general. My tone, I want to just remain, neutral. And then intent. I am trying to tell a story. This is an oral language piece. And then I'm going to go to done. And then once you've done that, you'll see that there are a ton of edits to make. And then you would just go through, click it, and then it'll tell you what to fix. So obviously you don't have to do edits. Like for this, it says I'm hungry. Obviously hungry is with one Y, but since this is a oral language piece, they're trying to tell a story. They're like, I'm hungry. So they're trying to add, some emotion to it. Therefore, it has Ys, multiple Ys. But this is how you would download or upload a document to Grammarly to edit it. And again, you're only going to really use this if you have to do a Word document. Now, but the other way I want you to use it is to actually go straight into Google Docs, which I will show you in the next video.